There is no definitive answer to the question of how wild people live, as there is no one-size-fits-all answer. However, we can see in this video observations can be made and learn how they survive. Wild people typically live in the deep jungle, hunting and gathering for their food. They may also grow some of their own food. Wild people often live in small groups or alone. They may build shelters out of natural materials or live in caves. Wild people may or may not have any contact with the outside world. Some wild people may be hostile to outsiders, while others may be more welcoming. We continue watching and learning about the lifestyle in the wild. He walks to the ocean to catch the fish. Whether or not wild people are happy with their lives is complex, and there is no easy answer. Many factors would need to be considered to answer this question definitively, such as the individual's definition of happiness, their cultural background, and their experiences in the wild. However, some general observations can be made. It is clear that wild people face many challenges and hardships. They must constantly be on the lookout for predators, find food and water, and deal with their survival. On the other hand, wild people also experience many joys and rewards from nature. They are free to roam and explore the natural world. They are connected culture, and they often have a deep sense of purpose and belonging. These experiences can be very fulfilling and can contribute to a sense of happiness. Happiness is a complex emotion that is difficult to define or measure. It is likely that different people have different definitions of happiness, and that what makes one person happy may not make another person happy. Cultural background can also play a role in how people experience happiness. For example, some cultures place a high value on freedom and independence, while others place a high value on community and belonging. These different values can influence how people perceive their lives and whether or not they feel happy. Experiences in the wild can also affect a person's happiness. For example, a person who has had positive experiences in the wild, such as feeling connected to nature or feeling a sense of purpose, may be more likely to feel happy with their life. On the other hand, a person who has had negative experiences in the wild, such as being attacked by a predator or being separated from their family, may be less likely to feel happy with their life. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also follow my Facebook page. I'll be back next day with another video. Thanks again for watching.